everyone, Amy Wilbanks here with Textile Fabric Consultants. You know us for textile education. We produce fabric swatch kits for fashion and interior textile courses. We have a new product that we're excited to tell you about. It's called the Seams Kit Level 1. It includes 7 different seams and enough fabric samples for the students to practice those seams at least twice. The seams include the plain seam, the edge stitch, the top stitch, the welt seam, the lap seam, the French seam, and the flat felled seam. We also have created videos for the students to watch as well as some written instructions. This is a great thing for students to do on their home sewing machine. There's no special attachments that are needed. The examples that we include are clearly labeled, and the student can see the front and the back of the finished seam. The kit is $26.95 each. We'd love to share more information with you about them. Please contact us on our website at textilefabric.com, or you can reach me at amywilbanks@textilefabric.com. Thank you.